What's up, guys? So today we are going to be playing Minecraft, and so like I don't know what we're gonna do. But on this world I got this awesome non-survival. Oh yeah, cause look at that, I got that slime thing right there, and this is my base. So it looks small from the outside, right? Wait, no, that's not mine. Over here is mine. With all the heads on it. It looks small on the outside, right? And you come in, and guys, today on YouTube, you come in here, and you come in here, you got this little tunnel. You keep going, you keep going, you keep going. More rooms. Come in here, another room. Come in here, another really small room, but another room. And then you come on here, and on here, and on here, and on here. You come down this hallway. And guys, yeah, don't like roast me down in the comment section like, oh, you suck at Minecraft, because you gotta go into creative, get your stuff, and then go into survival. No, I was doing this and I made it. I made this and I was on creative, and then I wanted to make it into like this little war world and stuff. And this thing is awesome too. Like, this one's really cool. You come way up this slime thing, and there is dirt on it, but it's like where... Okay, I'm gonna take the shield off real quick. Jump off of this thing. And then you glide. Oh, I couldn't glide. I can't glide though, just for some reason. That was not my day though. Gliding. And I'm not flying. I am gliding. Slime. Go, 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 go. Oh yes, I made it right here. So this is my brother's base. Now we both made them out of things where like it can't blow up. Like, we're in the middle of war. People don't blow them up. And, got a whole bunch of heads here watching it and watching out the fields, make sure no zombies coming and stuff. Jump over this, jump over this. Oh, that was close. And if you come up this, there is a lever. And now to get on the second one, you come right up in here. Keep on going, you keep on going. Bounce on this one. Bounce on my house. Bounce on up here. Jump over the hedge. Oh, I had to jump back up on there. And I got a little slime secret base in here I'm going to build right now. Oh, I gotta get my slime blocks. Slime blocks. Slime blocks. Now don't judge me. I am playing a little weird because I've been playing Minecraft on a computer lately. But like I haven't been able to play on my phone because I've been at school a lot and I downloaded it on my computer at school. And well, actually, my friend helped me. Thanks to him. Shout out to his channel. Sibling Squad. I mean, like, he does, like, these trampoline fails and everything. I guess it's a good channel. Like, I like it. And he's a good YouTuber. And, I mean, he started before me. And he gave me the idea of, you know, starting YouTube. And I've been starting to do it. I like it. I really do. And, you know, I've just been doing it a lot and everything. And I like it. And I'm gonna start doing it. Little slime secret base in here. Bro, it's not even noticeable. Now on the inside of this, since it happens a lot, there is a lot of blow-ups in this world and everything. I'm gonna put like, you'll see what I'm doing. And the shout out that I told you guys to go do to Sibling Squad. He does like Minecraft. I'm gonna ask him. Like I'm gonna tell him like, dude, you should do Minecraft videos. Like you should make Minecraft videos. I mean I haven't told him that, so you know that's why he hasn't. But I'm gonna tell him like, make some Minecraft videos. You know, I bet you people would love to see the work he does. Because he does some pretty cool stuff on Minecraft. And it's like, people would love to see that stuff on YouTube. They're always typing up these YouTube videos, like, how to do this, how to do that. And it's like, just make YouTube videos about it. People will love it. He would get more subscribers. Not saying that he doesn't have a lot of subscribers right now. He just doesn't have a lot of subscribers because he just started. Like I did. Like, I don't have a lot of subscribers either, but I just started. And I don't have so many videos either. And delete rate. Now, I'm not going to make, like, one of those secret doors that if you pull a lever, then it opens and everything. I'm just going to make it, like, a normal. Like, you know, you just open a door. But I'm going to put, like, slime in front of the door. Or you can't, like, where you can't tell that there's a door there. But I'll be the only person that knows where the door is. It's going to be pretty cool. Deleting onto the first place. Now this is going to be very dark, so I am going to have to put some torches in here. And everybody should know that, but I don't, you know. Getting dark. Oh no, it is dark. And guys, leave down in the comment section if you want more videos of these, like more Minecraft videos. I want to know, because, like, I want to know what kind of videos you guys like, where I'm not making videos that are stupid to you guys, and it's like, oh, well, this isn't good, and I'm not going to subscribe to him. Like, I want to make videos that you guys like. Like, Fortnite videos, racing, like, car racing videos. Like, what do you want, guys? Let me know. Like, don't be afraid to be like, hey, can you make a video like this? Just like, you know, come out and say it. Like, can you make a video like this? I mean, it'll be pretty cool to actually have somebody. Like, when you're a new YouTuber and you have somebody in the comment section say something, it's like, oh my god. Somebody in the comment section just said something. I gotta answer. I gotta make a video like that. Let's go. So. I mean, it's pretty cool. But if you guys aren't YouTubers, like, if you don't... Like, if you like YouTube, but you've never thought of making YouTube videos, I will shout out your name, too. I'll put, like, a little... While I'm making the video that you wanted me to do, I'll say, and this video was not thought of by me. I'll be like, oh, it was thought of this person, like, you know. Oh, little flying right there. Oh, there's the entrance. Okay. I was like, where'd the entrance go? There it is. Very hidden. Oh, it's dark now. It's not during the day. I'm not good at working in the dark for some reason. Like, I can't work in the dark all that great. Oh! I wasn't survival. I would be dead right now. Like, completely demolished. I'd be really dead too. I'd be like, oh, great. Can't find doors for some reason. Let's take them out. Doors. What should we do, guys? Like, a door that kind of blends in with the slime? We'll do a light door. I feel like that'd be the best. Can't even notice there's something there. You cannot even notice that. Actually, you can if I didn't. Well, you know, if you build a big slime thing like that, there's a way to, you know, build a secret base. Okay, guys, gonna end the video right here. See you guys later.